Hello, this is Benjamin with Lensure Financial Services. I've created another short video about refinance loans for underwater homes. And as you're watching this video, I'm sure either right now or in the next few days, you will think about somebody who is upside down on their home and who would appreciate the information that's provided here. We all probably know somebody. As we saw the housing bubble burst, a lot of people lost the equity in their home and are currently upside down and either have to foreclose or short sale or just ride it out and see how long it can last. Some interesting data to consider. What's the average loan to value in the United States? The answer, 94.3% loan to value. Very little equity in the United States right now. How much negative equity does the U.S. currently have? That number, $4 trillion in negative equity, and that's according to the Fed economist William Emmons of St. Louis Federal Reserve Bank. So the government obviously heard the cry of the public needing help as their homes are upside down or underwater. And so they did come up with a few programs: loan modifications, home buyer credits. They've artificially made mortgage rates very low. And they've also come up with a program called HARP. It's a refinance program. And that's what I want to talk about today. The old HARP program didn't work out as well as they thought. HARP stands for Home Assistance Refinance Program. And here's some details. The loan has to be owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. And when I say the loan is owned, that doesn't mean the statements say it's Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. The only way to find out if it's owned is to look it up, and I can help with that. Next, there was a max loan to value on the old program of 125% loan to value, but most lenders would only go up to maybe 100 or 105%. That didn't require mortgage insurance, and so if you didn't have mortgage insurance previously, you didn't have to get it with this program. And typically there was no appraisal required. But there were lots of problems and setbacks, and a lot of that had to do with the lenders didn't want to cooperate because there was so much risk that they were taking on by refinancing these homeowners who were upside down. The government, saw this and saw that the lenders were charging higher fees and rates and had very tough guidelines, and they definitely got the message. And so they decided to change the program and have created HARP 2.0. Now here's some interesting parts about HARP 2.0. The difference is it has unlimited loan to value. So it's no longer limited to the 125% up to any loan to value. So no matter how underwater you are, you can get this HARP program. They also lowered the exposure to the lender. So now the lender is more incentivized because the government's put some things in place to limit the risk. And because of the limited risk for the lenders, they've lowered their rates, they've lowered their fees. And how do you qualify? It's quite easy. Two things. One, your loan must be older than May 31st, 2009. Number two, the loan must be owned by either Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. And I can find those things out very quickly. Just need a couple of pieces of information. And as long as those two items are taken care of, we definitely can help take advantage of the lower interest rates right now and help people save some more money. So hopefully you've thought of somebody that could definitely benefit from this program. Please have them call me or email me or at least forward this video along so they can have an understanding of what's available to them. I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much.